Can you do it? There you go. There you go.
That's pretty heavy.
You gonna do the rest?
Huh?
Did you get the other one in the corner?
Which corner?
The first purple one.
Yeah.
You put water in that?
Yeah.
All right, do the next one.
Okay, this one too. Ready. Oh.
Get some water in there.
Time for you, little flower.
You got it? Good job. Get it in there. Drop in the water.
Time for you.
Yeah, give me some more. It needs more.
Don't flip.
You're getting yourself wet, baby.
Guys.
Oh, you want some help?
No, thank you.
You gonna keep going?
Yes.
Don't drip it on you. You got that hole. You about to pour water all over you. Come on. Get it on the flower, not you.
Can I get it?
You got it. One more.
Last but not least.
You can do it. Push, 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 push. Lift, 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 lift.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Did you do it?
Yes.
Did you water all the flowers?
Yes.
Who's got a green thumb?
Me.
Who's super wet?
Me.
Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Leave comments and like. Smash the subscribe button with a heart. Smash it with a lot of flowers.
With a lot of flowers.
And a vest. That's cool.
Yay.